This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Denise Capps. Beautiful single-story home in sought-after Union Park. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths and a 2-car garage. All stainless steel kitchen appliances, 42 cabinets with raised panel doors, crown molding, ceramic tile floors and foyer, kitchen, laundry room and all baths, programmable thermostat, 2 designer blinds, 15 SEER high-efficiency heating and air conditioning system and upgraded Florida-friendly landscaping package. Located in Wesley Chapel, Union Park is close to nature, schools, outlet mall, Advent Health, and the shops at Wiregrass. For more information, review the details below.